What's up? We finally got some replacement fans in for this broken GPU. I mean, it spins. This one spins just fine. This one it spins, but whenever it's running, the reason why you can see it's unplugged. So like completely unplugged, nothing's working, riser or anything. It'll spin and then it'll like slow down and stop like that, and then it'll spin some more and then it'll stop. So I took it apart, I tried to fix it. I watched a video of like you take the back sticker off and then you can put in some like machine oil to like help the fan spin. I'm not entirely sure. I tried it, it didn't work, so we ordered some replacement fans. It actually was kind of hard. Let me get these opened up and I'll show you. So I was able to get the actual Gigabyte branded fans that I didn't want like just the fans that had nothing on them, so it just like looked really weird. I wanted it to like be like my OCD or something, but I just wanted them to say Gigabyte just like these ones do. And it was actually harder to find than I thought. I looked on AliExpress and I didn't want to get scammed by somebody from China trying to just get some GPU fans. So I ended up getting these off Amazon, which probably in all honesty ended up coming from AliExpress. I couldn't find the right ones on AliExpress, so I just went with Amazon, unfortunately. So we need to take that one out. We need to take it apart, get the new fan in there. I got both A and B, just in case if I wanted to replace the other one or not, but I may just replace the one fan and keep the other one just as backup. So we'll get that taken apart, we'll get the new fan put in, and then we will get it up and running. Because that one's not running, we're back below 200 mega hash. So you can see temps are way better than they were before. And we're sitting at 187 mega hash. So with that one added, it'll put us back up to like 210, which makes me really happy. And at the wall, we're not actually pulling too much wattage. I think with that one added, we'll be like just at 1,000 watts, maybe, either just under or just over. So pretty happy about that. I need to get some more of these fans to add on the back here once I get the other cards added. So some improvements to come, but we will go ahead. I don't want to do a full video of like taking the fan apart and what you do, just be like some short snippets of what you do to replace the fan. So we'll get it off of there, we'll get the fan replaced. 3, 2, 1. Alright, and we got our makeshift table to work on. This is the one with the broken fan. This one still spins just fine, so I might just keep this one and then replace this one. So I'm not going to go through the whole process, but there'll be a couple of the steps just for this video, so it'll be a little bit longer. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and get it taken apart. We're going to add this fan and screwdriver and the right bit. Alright, we got it apart, so now we need to unplug the main fan wire from the rest of the GPU, and then both of the individual fans have their own cords. I'll probably just unplug this one that I'm replacing, and then essentially what we need to do, if you look in here, there's a couple screws hidden like behind the fan. Let's see if I can get it in there so you can see. It's like too dark, but there's a screw right here, right inside there, and there's 3 of them. So there's one here, and then one over here. Get all 3 of those, and then you'll be able to pop the fan out, and then we'll pop the new fan in. we go. And we're done. Let's get it back in the rig. See if we can get all the fans spinning properly and get back to 200 mega. And we're back. Fans working perfect. Really happy that the replacement ended up working. And I didn't have any more issues. So this guy's back up and running. We are back to mining. I haven't done any overclocking settings, so that's just kind of bare. But we'll get the overclocks tweaked and we'll be hitting about 210 mega hash. And then we'll just keep expanding, finish this rig. We need 3 more GPUs and then this one will be full. And then we will be starting on rig. And there we have it. 211.66 mega hash. Temps are looking pretty good. I think that'll do it for today. We'll see what else we can do expanding in the next couple days or weeks.